Crypto cards are evolving fast. Spend limits are exploding. But that only works if you qualify. If you're not in the right tier or region, your card might be capped tight, without warning. Companies like Crypto.com are pushing crypto-backed cards with borrowing power or spending power flags, letting you spend against staked crypto collateral. Big appeal? Instant access to cash, credit-like access without traditional credit checks. But as of 2025, limits and eligibility rules are tightening, and depending on your staking level and even your province, you might not qualify. Here's what most people don't realize. Your card tier determines your limits. Cards like Ruby Steel versus Obsidian differ dramatically in spending limits. Spending power isn't available everywhere. Some provinces and regions are excluded entirely. Card limits are tier-based year caps. Even premium tiers have daily monthly ceilings that reset or max out. Upgrades can cost you staking and rewards, no CRO stake, no access to unlimited spend powers. If your plan relied on high-volume crypto spending, you might hit invisible walls just when you thought you had unlimited access. Let's break it down. First, tier-based yearly spend caps. Crypto.com enforces annual spend limits per card tier. For instance, Ruby Steel allows around $20,000 per year, Royal Indigo or Icy White up to $100,000 per year, but Obsidian tier may be unlimited. Second, spending power is geo-restricted. That borrowing function, where you stake crypto and spend credit, is not enabled in provinces like Quebec, Nova Scotia, Saskatchewan, and Yukon. Even within eligible provinces, full rollout is still pending. Third, daily and monthly tops on load and POS limits. ATM withdrawals cap between CAD 700 to CAD 2,500 per day, depending on tier. Monthly POS spend around CAD 20,000 to CAD 35,000, with daily and frequency rules all enforced. Fourth, staking controls your tier. To access higher tiers with higher limits and rewards, you must stake CRO. Ruby Steel equals around 400 CRO. Indigo equals around 5,000 CAD worth CRO. Frosted Rose Gold or Icy White equals around 50,000. Obsidian equals around 500,000 CRO. Without staking at least the minimum, your card defaults to low-limit tiers. Here's what you need to check now if you rely on crypto cards for cashback or spending flexibility. Check your tier and staking level. Know which spend limits and POS caps apply to you. Verify regional eligibility for spending power. Even if your province is listed eligible, the feature may not yet be active. Track your year-to-date spending. Hitting the annual cap stops all card activity, even if your balance is funded. If you plan big crypto-backed purchases, ensure your collateral stays sufficient. Your borrowing power isn't static. Understand that unlimited tiers still have daily load and ATM rules. Watch for limits resetting on calendar versus rolling basis. Think your crypto card gives you unlimited freedom? Think again. Comment "spend power" if you're ready to verify your eligibility and limits. Like this if you're hoping to avoid surprise declines or capped access. Subscribe. My next video will show you how to maximize spending power with minimal staking across top crypto cards.